Oh man. Colorado River. Thelma and Louise, Chicken Corners. So that was the third tour boat going that way, which I'm going to say is up the river today. I can see the vehicles over there at Thelma and Louise and around there. I saw a couple at the end of Chicken Corner. The white rim, if you see the white rock right here closest to us, it goes up there and then it turns around the hill. It turns down there. Right about there's a guy on a motorcycle I can barely make out. But at his speed and size, that's a motorcycle. And then there was a Jeep. That might be it right there. Stopped. Where did he go? He's going slow. But go around the corner there, and to the right another couple hundred feet is Musselman Arch. That's Musselman Arch. And that debris down there used to be under the arch. That's the top side of the arch. Do not walk on it. You'll not see me on video walking across it. But here's what I think is more cool. Look at these formations out here. These rock hoodoos, pyramids. Just got white rock balance floating on top of a bunch of soft soil, sandy, red shit. That is cool. This is okay. And you know what? This is going to sound bad, a little sarcastic, but I feel bad for those of you fuckers in Minnesota or Arkansas or Central Texas that are paying $20 to get into a off-highway, off-road park, themed park, where you can ride over shit and break shit on your truck. I got this for free. And you don't.